In order to reduce risks, increase the practicity in the air traffic control, and to assure better and easier access in the registration of unmanned aircraft operations, XMobots, the #1 drone company in Latin America, developed XUTM, a UAS traffic management service that counts on SARPAS new generation, DECEA, as its development and operations database. The services offered are ATM integration, restriction, register service, planning and authorization, and tracking and separation. Aviation authorities, private companies, and pilots and operators will find in XUTM a practical and easy way to register, monitor, and control aircraft and the air traffic. XUTM, XMobots system, setting Brazil up into the future.